It has been a long time since I gave y'all an update on our home improvement projects, so I'll do that right now. This is our yard that we xeriscaped. We took out all the grass and put in rocks and a bunch of water-friendly plants. It might look a little bit barren right now, but once these plants growing, it's going to be awesome. We don't really have to water these plants at all unless there's a real long dry spell, and once they are established, we should not have to water them at all. We're going to do a bunch of plants in here in this bark area, but that will be a project for next spring, and we'll probably line the side of the yard with some nice small coniferous trees that don't block the solar panels that are up there. I'm in the middle of installing an EV charger for our Bolt, which is right over there. Do not stick your hands in that box or very bad things will happen. Oop, and there's the slot right there where the charger is going to go. That'll be a 40 amp breaker. This is part of our kitchen. We are putting in a booth here, a nice eat-in area. I still have some trim work to do around the booth, like on the edge here and the corner over there. You can see a nasty line there, but it is almost done. We just need to come up with a table, and this project will be in the bag. And here is our fireplace. It is covered with this moss rock, which I do not like at all. It used to have this black grout in there. Mindy has painted it, and we're whitewashing it with this Rust-Oleum chalk paint. We're also going to paint the mantle black, so I think this will be a huge improvement over what it was. And finally we get to the bathroom. This is also a work in progress, but it is almost done. So I'm standing in our bedroom now. I walk in here, there's mirrors, it's yeah, there I am. We have the toilet in here with a pocket door. I'll flip on the light for a second. I installed a new exhaust fan in there, and we have a bidet, which feels delightful on your tushy. Woo! And then we have two sinks in here. Back up a little bit. And we have dinosaurs in the shower. So that is actually a shower back there, and I put a tempered piece of glass up there to let light go throughout the room. I don't like dark rooms, and I figured that would be a nice touch. It's high enough so you can't see over and be a creeper, but it does let some light in from the window over there. I'm going to walk around. I decided to tile this wall. We're going to have a little bit of storage in that corner there. And then I'm going to come around, and we still have some trim stuff to do, like this corner right there, some grout work to do. And we still have to grout this whole thing. There are going to be two shower heads in here. So one's right there, and the other one is back against that wall. I put these nifty little LED lights up here, and we have a couple cubbies that I have to finish up too.